Hello guys, JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your LastPass on your iPhone. So to do this is pretty simple. Download LastPass in your iPhone and then set up an account. So here, the first things you'll have to do is turn on your Face ID, add your first password, and of course turn on autofill in your settings so that it will autofill when you use LastPass. And then fill your first items up and then try your Safari extension if you use Safari. So it's just that simple. So you'll have to remember these 5 things to use LastPass. So that's just the first thing you'll have to do. So here you can add your items such as your passwords, secure notes, contact info, bank cards, and even driver's license and many much more. So for example, we're going to use our password like a Facebook password. So let's say we're not using Dropbox, so we're just going to use a Dropbox right here. So we're going to have our username. So we're going to place our name JL, and then we're gonna place our password. So you just use this password right here, and then we can save it. So once we go to Dropbox, it will automatically use this as a suggestion. Once you entered your keyboard, it's gonna be entered above your keyboard, and Dropbox password will just instantly appear right there if you press it with your LastPass. It's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is how you use your LastPass here in your iPhone. It's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.